Got my FMS Cessna 182 today. Just finished putting it together. Did it outdoors because I ain't got room to work on anything in my house. She's all ready to go now. And I'm going to run it a little bit in the yard. And we're maiden it soon. Yeah. The elevator servo is backwards. That's better. Nice. Good morning. We're at the beautiful Wallkill field, and we've got a good crowd here, and we're looking forward to a maiden morning. That jet over there is supposed to maiden today. We've yet to see it. And right now, I'm going to give a shot to my new FMS Cessna 182. See how that works. My friend Jack is going to take film over there, and I'm hopefully going to take film. Screen flashes out really fast. Okay. Hopefully I'm aiming in the right direction. Right turn. Wait, that's a left turn.
Yeah, good to go. I'm filming.
Right? That's a left turn, isn't it?
Yeah.
I best check that. Aileron. Right turn now. Elevator is up and down. Rudder is right and left. So those are all good. Flaps are working properly. And I'm putting down a little 10% or so for takeoff. Looks like I got timer set. Countdown, stopwatch. I think I need stopwatch because it doesn't seem to be working countdown. All right. Oh, no, that's not it. Oh, the heck with the fucking timer. Shoot. Timer enabled. Timer. Countdown. 5 minutes. Throttle stick over 25%. Don't stop after it starts, and allow timer to clear. All right, well, throttle cut is enabled. We have spinny.
Ready for Maiden.
And we have achieved flight. Flaps up. Little nose heavy.
Good, Rick.
Quiet as heck, isn't it?
Yeah. How's it with the wind?
Huh?
How's it with the wind? Pretty good?
I can't hear you.
Oh, never mind.
Want to see what happens when I drop flaps. That was half. That's full. She seems to pitch up a bit. Flappy roll. All right, this is a hands-off glide. Hands-off power-off glide. Well, I shouldn't have to say it's a power-off glide if I'm gliding. Should we see how she behaves on final?
Bring it around.
I'm gonna shoot for the runway on this pass. Touch and go. Yeah, she's a sweet flyer. She's sensitive to the sticks, but I don't have any expo or anything in it, so let's make a low pass, then we'll bring it around for a full stop. Low and slow, 10% flaps. Alright, the timer says I got 1 minute left, so we land a little early and see how we made out. I think I'm just going to land with the 10% flaps. I'm not going to tempt fate with the full flaps. Got to power off a bit. Well, it wasn't perfect, but it was pretty good.
Any landing is good. It's a good breaking.
Taxi back. No walk of shame on this maiden. Bring it right in front of you, Jack.
Perfect.
All right.
I'll get that video up this afternoon.
Hopefully we got that on film.
Got the whole thing.
One camera or the other, we must have. Well, it's still filming, so I'm good.
You're good. You're good.
I'm going to cut this now. Thank you, everybody, for watching. The man, the myth, Jack Scott, about to fly
Okay.
the most amazing plane.
Well, we're going to see about that. We're going to see about that. Maybe I should go some takeoff flaps in here. Okay.
It is flying. Looks like it's got plenty of power. Jack, do you need any help with anything?
It wants to go right, to the left. Well, here, watch. I'll bring it in. Now watch when I let go of this. See, it's drifting to the left. Oh, maybe I should put the flaps up. It wants to go to the left. Look at that.
Okay. Was it a remain to the right?
Watch. It's going to want to go by itself to the left. Of my time.
47 seconds.
I'm going to go around,
Wheels are up.
then I'm going to make a landing pass after this. Oh, it's kicking it.
No lack of power.
Bring it in.
Wheels are down.
The wind is busting up there.
Nice.
Nice.
You gotta have that power on.
Yeah. I kept it at quarter. But the wind's crazy up there. This thing is a non-wind plane. I'll go up again.
Take a bow.
There you go. Landed, no issues.
Now you have a safe receiver in there, right?
Yep.
Were you flying with safe?
Only on the takeoff.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, that's one of the reasons I asked, because on that takeoff it surely dipped a wing.
Yeah, but I got it.